welcome back to my channel and welcome to day 8 of Junk Journal January, which is Vintage Vibes. And the reason that we're doing Vintage Vibes is because it's actually my birthday today, so I wanted to make a prompt that sort of reflected me and my style, and everyone that knows me knows I love a bit of vintage, so I just wanted to go all out and do a Vintage Vibes spread, so vintage inspired, whether that's you using like old postcards or just old book papers, however you want to interpret vintage vibes. So for today's page, probably just going to make it another super simple one, but I really want to make it very layered, but like effortlessly like layered and sort of not busy, but like more going on, not as flat, because although I like this, it is quite flat, so I want to really like build up the layers and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm probably just gonna pop some music to this, let you enjoy a time lapse of me creating this page. So I'll get it in now. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss these daily videos that I'm doing in January. I hope you're really enjoying the challenge. Everyone's still going strong, so yeah.